Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader. Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
Egg white and yolk face masks. In today's Kitchen Angel video, I will show you how to make the egg white and the egg yolk face masks. When I bake, I usually use some egg white and some yolk for my face as a mask treatment. Your face will love it. It is very easy to do and it's so good for your skin. All you need is 1 egg. Wash the egg, crack it open, separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Then beat the egg white with a fork until it gets frothy. Clean your face with a wet wipe. Then dab your fingers into the white foam of the egg white and apply it everywhere on your face. Avoid the eye area and let it dry. It will feel very tight on your face. Keep this mask on your face for several minutes. I usually do it when I cook something with eggs. Then rinse it off. Your face will feel refreshed, bright and tight. Do you know that egg yolk is a natural moisturizer? Take some of it with your finger and apply it on your face and leave it for several minutes. Then wash it off. Now you can use your day or night face cream. Your skin will be grateful to you for this treat. Do it 2 or 3 times a week. Your skin will love it. Let your food be your medicine. Let your medicine be your food.
Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
If you would like to help our channel and family, please read the information in the video description and feel free to use one of the links there. Thank you for your financial support. We need it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your help.